Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great.
Hey guys, today we'll be making some fun and festive holiday fingerprint art. We have 3 different designs, so stick around to find out how to do this. Our first design is Christmas lights, so you're going to need a canvas, a marker, a paintbrush, and some paint. The first step is to draw some wavy lines on the canvas to act as the light wires. Next step is to use paint in your finger to paint the bulbs for the lights. I used a mix of colors like yellow, blue, green, and red to create a festive look for the holiday lights. I wanted to keep this design pretty simple and easy, but you can always go in and add more detail to the bulbs or wires if you'd like. Next up, we're making ornaments, so you'll need a canvas, marker, and some paint. You can use the same paint palette as you were before or switch up your colors if you'd like. For the ornaments, you're going to take paint in your finger and create dots all around the canvas. You can do this in a random order or create lines. I started with red dots and then just went along with other colors and added them around the canvas. Once my dots were dry, then it was time to add some detail to my ornaments. You can add as little or as much detail as you want to your ornaments. Here's how my ornaments turned out, but I thought it needed a little bit more, so I wrote a holiday message to accompany my ornaments on the canvas. Here are my fun and colorful holiday ornaments. For our last craft, we're creating some reindeer, so you'll need a canvas, a marker, and some paint. Using brown paint and my finger, I created 9 brown dots on the canvas, 1 for each of Santa's reindeer. Once my dots were dry, I took a black Sharpie and drew antlers for each reindeer. For this next step, you'll need black and red paint to create noses for the reindeer. I painted a black nose for each reindeer. Besides Rudolph, I gave him a red nose. To add a little personal touch, I wrote the names of each reindeer underneath their painting. I wanted to keep my craft simple, but you're more than welcome to add eyes or ears or any other details you'd like to your reindeer. Here's the finished products. These 3 holiday finger art designs are so fun and easy and perfect for adding a little personal touch to your holiday decor. Have fun making yours and happy holidays!